Plenty of action here today, but the hard-charging Rob Pooley certainly had action 1.5 kilometres from the start. I rated him as probably one of the jet boaters to race these rivers, which were going to be very low and braided. And Rob hit a pressure wave and sunk his boat, which is very, very unfortunate, but both escaped without real injury.
Just basically took the call from a navigator a wee bit late. I should have been listening to him sooner and just crossed over a few pressure waves in the worst possible place. It wasn't too dramatic in as much as we just hit one, end for ended it, and took too much water over the back. And because the river's so rough, we were just wallowing down the river, and she kept taking water on board. Pumps couldn't keep up with it. We did a very ungracious step off and floated away.